always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
I'm ready, Mr. Goose. Here we go. Today's special number is 10. Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 10 on it. I bet I can find it. Oh, there it is. Now let's flip the card over and count how many toes there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many in all?
10. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? I'm going to tickle your toes.
Today's number is 10. Let's explore the island and count together.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6! You did it! Thanks, Monkey! Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
Let's count together. 10. There are 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples in all?
10.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count. To do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 10. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 10 times. Clap 10 times. Nod 10 times. Point 10 times. March 10 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called My Morning Friends. The friends in this story aren't people. What do you think they might be? Let's find out. Let's begin. My Morning Friends. Written by Suman Raj Tamrakar. Illustrated by Suman Maharjan. Translated by Erica Kular. I have friends that help me get ready in the morning. First, my friend Toothbrush comes to brush my teeth and keep them white. Then my friend Scissors comes to cut my hair when it gets too long. Then my friend Soap comes to help me take a bath and keep me clean. Then my friend Towel comes to pat me dry. Then my friend Clothes comes to cover my body and keep me warm. Then my friend Comb comes to keep my hair in place and looking nice. Then my friend Hat comes to keep my head warm when it's cold outside. Then my friend Cotton Swab comes to help keep my ears clean and dry. Then my friend Nail Cutter comes to keep my fingernails nice and short. Finally, my friends Left Shoe and Right Shoe come to keep my feet safe and warm. My morning friends are always there for me when I need them. I love them very much. The end.
Thank
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Wheels on the Bus. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me, okay?
Okay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now sing along with me. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. All through the town.
One more. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
All through the town.
Well done! Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Down. Down. Door. Door. Dish. Dish. Doll. Doll. Drum. Drum. Dog. Dog.
What letter do all these words start with?
D.
That's right. The letter D. Yes,
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
absolutely. Let's practice making the letter D. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! D.
Great!
I'll try next. D.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. D. Ooh.
Nice job!
My turn. D.
did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
D!
Exactly. Uppercase D. And what's this letter?
D!
That's right. Lowercase d. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
D! Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Lullaby and good night. In the sky, stars are bright. Round your head, flowers gay. Set your slumbers till day. Lullaby and good night. In the sky, stars are bright. Round your head, flowers gay. Set your slumbers till day. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes.